I'm the Bard, jack of all trades and thief of hearts. I'll try anything once, but my specialties are drinks, D&D, and devilish charm. Welcome to Bard & Company. Hey guys, I'm not going to give you another long-winded video. So, these summer sausages, they're pretty much impossible to screw up. I went ahead and I got some curing stuff, which, what is curing stuff you might ask? I did. But the answer, the cure, which is all that it's called, it's a cure mixture. It's just salt and sugar. Mostly salt, a little bit of sugar. You don't even need the sugar. So, if you're ever wondering what it takes to cure meat, put meat in a bag with salt, mix it up, that's it. Give it a day or so for the spices to infuse into it and the flavors marry really well. And then after that, you just bake it for about 90 minutes. If you make a standard summer sausage log out of it, it usually works well with a pound, maybe pound and a half. Any more than that and you kind of get a little bit more inconsistent, but you'll be fine if you make it a super long, like a 2-pound log. That's usually what you see in stores. But as long as you keep about to that ratio, you're fine. I added some with crazy amounts of pepper to them, and that was my 10% lean. That turned out really good. It's like beef jerky. I've got a bunch of other kinds here. I'll put all the recipes up on a black screen, that way I can just do it really quickly. I was pretty much proving that it doesn't matter if it's 10% lean, 20%, 27%, straight chorizo from a package, or turkey meat. Like, I made summer sausage out of all of them, and they're freaking delicious. My only problem with them, I made like 10 pounds of summer sausage. That's a lot of fucking sausage. So, I gotta figure out some people to give that to and share it with. And make sure to check out my Patreon, because I like to pay my artists in real money, not exposure bucks. I love the artists and I want to give them some love, so check out their stuff. Share this with a friend if you think they'd enjoy it, or you know somebody who needs some good food for war. Because for SCA and the whole fighter stuff, camping events and war and things like that, the big community events, they need long-lasting food. And the chicken and dumplings video, as well as the summer sausage, would be amazing for that, because they keep super well. But yeah, do all the things. There's links and stuff. Yeah. Have a good night.